Hi, today we're going to be repairing this Toshiba laptop. As you can see, the screen has been shattered here, so it's all white and can't see anything at all. In this situation, you got no choice. You got to remove the screen and replace it. This is LED. This is an LED screen, which means it doesn't have an inverter. Okay, so let's take the screen out and put in a new one. Okay, so there's 4 little rubber covers in each corner covering the screws. I just use a pin just to get behind the cover without damaging the rubber surface. Then you remove the 4 screws. Then using something plastic like this guitar pick, you can use it to separate the front cover from the back cover. Okay, it's just plastic clips, very easy to break. So, the cover removed. Couple of screws on the side here holds the screen onto the hinge. So remove the 2 bottom screws from the hinges and just unplug the cable going to the webcam, and then you can just drop back the cover. Okay, so once you drop the back cover back, you'll have access to the 3 mounting screws on each side. There might be a little bit of glue or tape holding in the cables here, so you just have to remove that tape. With the tape removed, it's just a matter of pulling down out of the plug. Okay, so that's our old screen ready for recycling. So we have our new screen here. Like I said before, this is LED, so it doesn't have an inverter. The cable plugs directly into the back here. Okay, so you're going to plug back in your signal cable here. Same way it came out. Put a fresh piece of tape on there. Stop the cable from pulling it out when you open and close the laptop. Don't forget to plug in your webcam. Okay, then replace your cover here. just press to snap the back into place, all the clips. Bit of glue on the covers. Okay, so now that we've got that back together, let's switch it on and see how we did. And there we go. Good as new. Thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix.